Dear students, I hope you all are well. At present, we are going through a difficult situation. Due to lockdown, we are not able to do our classes as earlier. So, our school has started to provide you study materials for your learning at home. Our school has also decided to bring study materials to you through audiovisual medium. I think you will be more benefited from this medium. Today, in this video, I am going to teach you grammar question and our topic is having what. What does having what mean? Having what means আছে বোঝায় এমন শব্দ. There are two having words, has and have, which mean আছে. কি আছে? কোনো জিনিস আছে. We use having words to mean to have something. For example, আমি একটু বাংলায় বলছি তোমাদের বোঝার সুবিধার জন্য. আমার একটা গাড়ি আছে, তাদের বাড়ি আছে, তোমার একটা নতুন পেন আছে. তাহলে কি আছে আমাদের? কিছু জিনিস আছে. কিছু জিনিস আছে বোঝাতে কিন্তু আমরা having ওয়ার্ডটাকে ব্যবহার করি. Now, where do we use these two having words has and have? We use has after one number and have after more than one number. We know one number and more than one number. So, has after one number and have after more than one number. You have to keep in mind also this part. But there is an exception, that is you and I. We know that I is one number and you is used both as one number and more than one number. But we never put has after I and after you in one number. We always put have after I and you, both in one number and more than one number. Now, I am showing you a chart. One side is for one number and another side is for more than one number. You know I, which number is it? It is one number. You means to me. In one number, you means to me. He, she and it. Which number is he, she and it? One number. And the boy means ekti balo. So which number is it? It is one number. So tell me which having word we will put after this one number? Yes, you are right. We will put here has. But I have told you that we always put have after I, though it is one number. So I am writing here have after I. You have to keep in mind that have is always used with I. So I have. Now you is also used in more than number also, but we never put has after you in one number. We always put which having what? Have. Yes. So I am writing here have after you. So you have. He, she, it. Which number? Yes, one number. So I am writing here has. He has, she has, or it has. The boy, as this is one number, so I am putting here has. So the boy has. Now the Bengali meaning of these words. I means ami. Have means আছে. তাহলে আমি আছে? No, this is incorrect. আমার আছে. I have means আমার আছে. You means তুমি in one number. So you have means তুমি আছে? No. আমরা তো এবার বলি না তুমি আছে. আমরা কি বলি? We say তোমার আছে. He, she or it has. He or she means সে. সে আছে? না. তার আছে. It means ইহা. ইহা আছে না, this is incorrect. ইহার আছে. The boy has. বালকটি has means আছে. So বালকটি আছে? No, this is also incorrect. So which will be the correct meaning? The boy has means বালকটির আছে. দেখো প্রত্যেকটা ক্ষেত্রে আমরা লাস্টে কিন্তু র যোগ করছি, ঠিক আছে? Now come to more than one number. I have told you that after more than one number we will put which having what? Yes, have. So I am putting here have after all the more numbers. So now we have to know their Bengali meanings also. We have. We means amra. Amra আছে না, আমাদের আছে. You have. তোমরা আছে না, তোমাদের আছে. They have. They means তাহারা. তাহলে তাহারা আছে বলবো? No, this is incorrect. তাহাদের আছে. And last, the boys have. Boys means balokguli. Balokguli আছে? It is also incorrect. So the correct meaning is balokgulir আছে. Now, what type of question may come from this topic? Fill in the blanks, choose the right word may come in your examination on this topic. You have got study materials on this topic and there filling the blanks was already given. So I am going directly to choose the right word. Look at the first sentence. The bird has or have two wings. You have to choose the correct having word from the option. So the bird, which number is it? It is one number. So which having what we will put here? Yes, the correct answer is what? Which having word? Yes, the having word has. So the correct word is has. The sentence is the bird has two wings. Now the second sentence, the boys has or have many toys. Which number is the boys? It is more than one number. Then which having word will be correct here? Yes, have. So the sentence is the boys have many toys. Now you have or has a cat. We know that after you we always use have. Okay? So which will be the correct word here? Tell me. Yes, it is have. You have a cat. Now the fourth sentence, we are or have two books. Look at are. Are means hoy. Hoi ba ho. তাহলে we are means আমরা হই. Two books. দুটি বই. আমরা দুটি বই হতে পারি? Is it possible? না আমরা বলি we have two books. আমাদের দুটো বই আছে. Which one is correct? Which one is meaningful? কোনটা অর্থপূর্ণ? আমরা হই দুটো বই নাকি আমাদের আছে দুটো বই? Yes, we have two books. We say that we have two books. অর্থাৎ আমাদের দুটো বই আছে. So here the correct word is have, not are. Okay? So the sentence is we have two books. Now your homework is to practice such, choose the correct word